Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I usually thread my punching needle. So here with me I have my threader, which is just a piece of a wire, and then I have my punching needle, my pair of scissors, and a piece of thread that I'll be threading. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below. And to get more videos like this of how the processes that I use to make my mats, the different kind of mats that I make, if you want to know all of that, kindly hit the notification bells that every time I post a video you get notified and you can come and learn. So let's get into it. So what you want to do is make sure that the threader that you're using, any piece of wire that you're using, you can also use a stick from a broom. I know I have used the inner tube of a pen, so you can use essentially anything that is longer than your punching needle. Yeah, it should be a bit longer than your punching needle. So I know there are many punching needles that are out there in the market, but I prefer to use this specific one because it doesn't hurt my fingers, and I can use it to make my mats for a very long time without getting any injuries on my hands. There is another one that's in the market that is just all metal. It's wrapped in metal. I think I'll show you guys a sample so that you guys can see it. It's a cheaper one, but when you use it for a long period of time it can injure your hands. So make sure that you've removed a sizable amount of your yarn that you're going to put through your punching needle. And then what you want to do is make sure that you're working on the back to the tip of your punching needle. So you want to place the thread like so here, and then using your wire, you push it through the body of your punching needle all the way to the tip of your punching needle, like so. Make sure that it's on all the way through, and then what you want to do is pull it through the tip, pull the thread through the tip of the punching needle, and then we're not done yet. And then you have to put it through from the front side to the back side through the eye. So this is the eye of your punching needle, and you want to push the thread through the eye from the front to the back. So still using your wire, push it through the eye, and then we're done. And that's basically how you thread your punching needle. It's as simple as that. So it's not rocket science, guys. It's very easy. You can do it at home. You can do it by yourself. Yeah, because I've done it, so you guys can do it. You can do it too. And then now once you've already threaded your punching needle, now it's time to work on your mat. We work from the back side. We usually work on the back side when we're using our punching needle. You don't work on the front side of the mat. I think most mats are like that. You work on the back side, and then on the front side now it gives you the mat. So you just punch. You make sure your other hand is on the front side now, and then you can start from any point. I'm making the eyes. I'm making a SpongeBob mat. So here are the eyes, and then I want to use the white thread to make the eyes. So I punch it through. Make sure that the thread, you pull it with the other hand, it goes all the way through to the front side, and then you make another. You punch into the sack again, and then there you go. So you want to keep going, or first you have to make sure that it's safe on the other side. So what you want to do is tie a knot on the front side, so that as you're punching through it doesn't come out, like so. And then to reinforce it, you make another knot You make another knot to reinforce it, like so. Then I'm going to have to trim this excess thread towards the end. So that's basically how you thread your punching needle, and then you start working on your mat. So now you can just punch without fearing that it will come out, like so. Go all the way, follow your pattern until you're done. So thank you guys for watching. Kindly hit the subscribe button if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, and if you want to see more videos like this, hit the notification bell so that you can get a notification whenever I upload such videos. So thank you guys for watching, and bye bye.